Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a Welltrade demo account. And I will show you this as quick as possible how we can do this. First step is open your dashboard right here, and then we go to open account. Then you have here all the account type options, but we select right here demo. Then from here select the platform, select your account type, the account currency, the deposit amount and the leverage. And once we did that, we click on open account. So right now he opened an account, and right here you see your password and your account number. Now we need our password, so we click here on copy this, then we click on trade, and now we fill in right here our password, and then we click on connect to account. There it is. Now we have right here our demo account, and now we can start trading. So this is how you can open your demo account on Weltrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.